Thermiva, changing the lives of women suffering from incontinence and a variety of vaginal and sexual issues associated with menopause.
At its inception, the original intent of Thermiva was to tighten the vagina non-surgically.
Thermiva is a simple application of radiofrequency. A sleek, ergonomically designed wand inserted in the vagina releases gentle monopolar thermal energy in a completely controlled, painless manner.
Thermiva has demonstrated a remarkable versatility in treating a variety of women's health issues. Patients have reported a significant reduction in their urinary stress and urge incontinence after only a 30-minute treatment.
Renee is a professional ballroom dancer, and when leakage started interfering with her job, she considered surgery, which unfortunately comes with the potential for numerous complications.
With Thermiva now available as an alternative, the lives of my patients have improved without the risk of surgery.
Since I've had the Thermiva treatments, it actually changed my life. I'm so confident at work, and I don't feel like I have to constantly be running to the bathroom, so I'm just thrilled.
Although Thermiva was originally intended to tighten the vagina, many other unexpected benefits were soon discovered.
Some women have reported the absence of pain with intercourse, with enhanced lubrication and sensation.
I wanted intercourse to be comfortable and pleasurable again, and it hadn't been for a long time. Even after the very first treatment, the lubrication was very noticeable, and I hadn't had that since my mid-40s.
Some women even reported the resumption of orgasm, which they hadn't experienced for a long time.
To describe it would be like stepping back in time, going back to feeling, fully a woman and fully participative, and no issues, none.
Thermiva tightens the vagina as well as the external vulvar tissue, making women less self-conscious in tight-fitted clothing. Thermiva adds moisture and makes intercourse more comfortable without hormones. It increases vaginal sensitivity, enhances orgasm, and reduces the symptoms of both urge and stress incontinence, all without surgery.
It doesn't have any pain, there's no discomfort, and you can get up and go back to your job if you're working.
My sole purpose as an obstetrician gynecologist in the past 30 years has been to improve the lives of my patients and help them to avoid surgery. That's why for me, Thermiva is a revolutionary procedure which treats so many women's health issues.
Call Dr. Barinholtz to schedule a free consultation to learn about this new exciting treatment.